Hi. So today we're back in the truck, and then what's in those boxes are the headlights. Okay, nabuak man ni Anisette ang headlight. Si Anisette has already left for Manila. Ako na lang nabilin ron. We're going to David, a friend of mine, JDS Autoshop. Yeah, they're on Facebook. I have a link, and you will find it in the description. And we'll find out how much it will cost for us to replace the whole assembly of the headlights. And here we go. I just passed by the bank to get money in case I need it. But ayun ako, ito na ko ilan David sa shop ni David. So, nata sa Maria Luisa nga entrance na adere dapit ang shop ni David. Na ang landmark. Ang landmark. And then you turn here. So, muna. You will see all these cars. And that shop right there, the one with the black gate, muna ang shop ni David. JDS Autoshop, everyone. So, yeah. Check them out. Hi, so muna ning kuan, I'm in the office of David sa JDS Autoshop, and muna si David.
Hello,
proprietor. And
hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
yeah, dugay na rin ako amigo si David. And then muna yung wife,
Hi.
si Jackie. And Jackie was the trainer of my ex, I think. Yeah, sa katong call center sa una.
Yeah.
So, yeah, mo na yung damage. What do you think?
Nag-alignment. Oh? Nag-alignment. Mar! Awa ya gud ni.
Di ba daw ka nang ikuan lang? Itaod lang?
Tao naman bagkang napasok pa ni. Awa. Napasok ni. Saka ni. Alain no daan no. Alain dito no, kaya ra di. Pasok na. Isa niya ba nasa bago? Ulo. Ang bago kay maginis ka headlight? Projector pod?
Dili.
Nya di ha.
Adi na duha set man. Ang moto nang utana ko nimo sa Facebook, whole set. Kung pilay mo ang pangayo ana. Madag pikpik lang, na inito niya pikpik ko lang pagawas balik.
Inito na.
Ha?
Di ko inito. Metal mo.
Lagi.
Dar na.
Dara. Na upat ka bukang ilisan, boss. Kaya para maparis. Headlight and signal light sa ni sold sa mga karton. Hala ka to sa mga bli. Narabid. Ako na. Lo. Adoy, mag-rewire dito. Ha? I think we need to rewire. Tanaw na to. Kaya kita ka, di na siya projector. Yeah. Usa na lang kasuga yung high and low. So we'll check. Maybe we need to rewire the wirings pa.
Okay.
Kaya kato, separate mo gato yung kani.
Awan ito. Takap do. Separate siya.
Okay. Apparently, kana siya, that shit right there has to be rewired and then kailangan pa ni i-align balik kaya ni Kang pagbangga ni Anisette. So, before we can even put in the new headlight, we have to rewire because these are projector lamps and they have a separate they have separate wires and kailangan i-join ng low high, kailangan ilisan ang both, and wa pa ko taga-presyo ni David, and I only have like 3,000 pesos on me right now. We'll see. So I go out for lunch, and when I come back, David has brought in a specialist just for the lights and the electricals. They then work on it and get it get it running. At this point in time, I didn't see some of the work done. They already put the light back in place. I mean the fender back in place para dili mukang and yeah, now that when I arrived, enough time to get some footage. They were working on the electricals now. So yeah. Apparently, you need to remove the grill so that you can fit, so you can remove the headlight. So that's what they're doing. So at this point, the work has been done. It's all been put back together, and that's what the lights look like. I wasn't able to take footage of what it looks like at night, but the lights are pretty bright. So yeah, thank you, David and Jackie. JDS Autoshop for the win.